Cool Vacation member only travel deals. Cool Vacation is similar to ideas you know like Priceline or Hotwire. We've created something way better. All the same great deals, but you get to see them. No more guessing about what you are buying. Cool Vacation is loaded with hotels, great activities, and great car rental deals. We even have 50% off vacation rentals all over the USA. The deals are amazing. This one here saves $2,000 off Hotels.com. There are thousands more like it. Cool Vacation has access to sold-out dates, and we have you covered for the biggest holidays and events. Get a free 14-day trial today. It's easy to cancel. Simply press a button. Cool Vacation members save up to 60% on travel on over 60,000 hotels, activities, and more. Get your free trial while the offer lasts. Cool Vacation. Members only. Travel deals.